Well, a real wet, miserable day yet again. Pouring rain. I was laying in the sleeping bag thinking, should I get out? Should I get out, or should I just stay here for another day? But I've got to move on, so I got out, packed up, soaking wet. But hey, that's bike packing. So about another 50 miles to go, and hopefully I'll get onto a nice stretch where I can bang out the miles. But before I do that, I've got to go to Carrefour or Aldi to get some food, because tomorrow is Sunday, so the shops don't open on a Sunday as far as I'm aware. In France everything closes. Anyway, so I'll pack up and on my way. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Day 5. Hello. Well, I'm sheltering under a bus stop at the moment because it's peeing with rain. Hasn't 5 miles, that's all I've done so far in pouring rain. I managed to get to Carrefour though, which is not Carrefour, I apologise, it was Aldi, and get some more food for tomorrow, which is good. And on the way I stopped at a patisserie and picked up some croissants, which I'm now going to eat in the bus shelter. I got some apricots, which were at sale in Aldi, and I bought some yesterday, and they were juicy sweet. So I eat all those as well. Well, not all of them, maybe I will. Yeah, I think I will. Anyway, it looks like it might be clearing up a bit. So I'll give it a few minutes and then I'll set off again once I've eaten my croissants, and I'll catch up with you guys. I don't know if I'm going to be doing much filming because it's all wet and miserable and horrible, but I'll do the best I can for you. Okay, take care. Oh guys, I forgot to say before I go, I forgot to take a photo. All these cars go by. God blimey. There's hardly any cars on the road all week, and because it's Saturday I suppose they're all going off shopping and stuff. Anyway, forgot to say, I forgot to take the photograph of the campsite and stuff like that, so what I'll do is I'll put it in below or on the screen. Okay, take care. Woke to another cold, wet, miserable morning. I've had about 1 day sunshine. Last night was beautiful, but then when I looked at the weather map, it said it was going to rain around about 4 o'clock in the morning, which it did. It was torrential. But I managed to pack up okay, keep everything dry. So now heading for the bridge right over there, which I'll be crossing. The Havre is over on my right, and then going back into the countryside, which I'm looking forward to. Okay, I'll see you guys later on. Well, you'd like to know I made it across that shitty bridge. Gee whiz. The bike path went up to the bridge, then it stopped and said foot passengers or walking only, so I got off and I walked all the way across the bridge. Right next to the traffic it is. There's no barrier, there's nothing, it's just right next to the traffic. And it's really, really bad, even though they've got signs of a man and holding a little boy or a little girl or whatever you want walking across the bridge. I wouldn't ever do it again. And then, foolishly, I saw a bus pass me with bike racks on the back. And I'm wondering, because of my ignorance in French, reading French, whether that was a bus to get me across if I've got a bicycle. I expect so. So silly me. But anyway, I'm across. And I was the only one walking. Never mind. At least I made it. But it was bloody dangerous. Don't ever do it. Sadly, this is an early end to my tour. There's been torrential rain, downpours, rivers burst the banks, and it hasn't stopped raining since actually I've been doing my tour. I've been getting the times where it is sunny. I've been doing a little bit of videoing, but most of the time it's just pouring with rain. More rain's expected. The clouds are looking really bad. So I've cut short and I've gone to Cairn and I'm going to catch then. I'm now heading towards the ferry, Brittany ferry to Portsmouth, and I'll catch the Portsmouth ferry. But it's not an end, because I'll get back, regroup, do all my washing and get everything all back to A1 and do another trip, mainly probably in the UK. But it's a shame, because I've been really enjoying it, apart from the torrential rain, which has been pretty often. I said I couldn't get onto the gravel paths or anything like that because it's just been washed out. So it is what it is. I'll try again next year, see if I can do something different, maybe up into Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Norway, that sort of thing. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this small trip, and if you want to subscribe, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Also, in the description there'll be my Ko-fi page. If you want to contribute to buy me a coffee, please feel free to do so. And I'll see you next time on Old Bald Man's Adventures. You take care. Keep on biking, keep on hiking. See you all guys soon.